Hey everybody, this is Justin Roner. This is Market Monday. I'm going to do a little harvesting of kale chips today. So I wanted to show you I'm out in the front yard and I'll show you a little bit of how I harvest these. Now, all I've got is this little strainer for tonight's little meal. And here's my kale that I'm going to harvest. And you can see we got a couple different varieties, different white ones, red ones. These are my favorite ones for creating kale chips. You can see our broccoli, I'm letting this group go to flower. You can see some of the others we've already harvested out. And we love eating the leaves or saving them for our wonderful cuy, also known as, there's my wife coming back home. There's wife. So kale chips, really easy to harvest. You can see they're really cool looking leaves and stuff. Don't need any type of cutting tool at all. I literally just reach down underneath and I just push down on the leaves right at the stalk. And so I just break them off and stick them in. And by breaking them off, rather than cutting off the entire plant, you can see here's the leaves right there. And we'll just rinse these off. So I'm just gonna go around the perimeter and I literally just harvest them by pushing down on the stalk. See, I do move it around a little, but I'm really just pushing down and pushing them straight down and out. Nice and easy. And then down at the base, you'll see that it makes a nice even little break at the base. And then the plant can still keep growing out the top. And so you can see we've harvested a few things. So that's a quick, really easy technique to be able to harvest the kale chips without harvesting the entire plant. And these kales can also be used in many recipes. Anytime you're cooking with this type, it actually works really easy and well. And again, we just harvest the bottom leaves first. And what'll end up happening, it'll actually grow another stalk coming out the base down there, which is really fun. And with these white ones, same thing. We usually will just harvest up a couple of white layers, so we have those. I'll show you a couple of these. Same thing though, I'm just literally pushing my thumb down on the top of the stalks and harvesting those guys out of there. And then we'll just rinse them off. Obviously my hand got a little dirty. But in my strainer, we just rinse them off in our sink and then do a little spin dry and then use them for kale chips. Hopefully you enjoyed the little tip of the day for Market Monday. See you next time. I think.